And today we're going to be making slime. So first we add the glue. Look at that, looks all. And next we add the water. Get in water. All of that in there. Look at that. And we add some paint. We add 1 spoonful of paint. And then we mix it together. And once we've mixed it together, we add 5mm of activator. So you clear it out. With your fingers. Yes, with my fingers. So there is 5mm.
Not to be wrong, is it? Okay, mix.
Carry on mixing it.
It's all slimy.
And then I tip the activator in and I start mixing it around again until it all starts to stick together.
Oh.